Hello and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Choma. Our topic for today is slangs from Igbo land and their meanings. So if you're coming into Igbo land, if you're coming into Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Ebonyi, and Abia states, there are some slangs that you'll be hearing. There are some things that you'll be hearing, and it will be somehow in your ears. You'll be thinking, what are these people talking about? Those things are slangs. If you're not an Igbo person, you will not understand. So now I'm going to tell you some of the slangs that you hear whenever you go to Igbo land, the common slangs. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Thank you. The first one is white. If you want to enter a bus or enter a bike and they tell you that Igenyem white, you give me white. White means 50 naira. So whenever you hear white, white means 50 naira. That you're going to give me 50 naira. My money is 50 naira. Egombu white. Chorom white. White means 50 naira. The next one is OO. OO. Whenever you hear OO in town, in Igbo land, you should know that they are talking about 100 naira. OO is 100 naira. Maybe the bike man will tell you, Igakum OO. Or you're on the road, they tell you, Choram OO. It means that you should give the person 100 naira. Go away. When someone wants to tell you go away, the person will say wa here. Seba wa here. So when you hear wa, it means that you should go away. Maybe you have an argument. You had an argument with someone. The person was like wa, seba wa here. It means that you should just go away. Or if someone is telling you achome wa, to wa means to go. Achome wa, it means the person wants to go. The next is fine. When someone wants to tell you fine, the person will say udo. Udo. When someone wants to say fine, the person will say udo. If you ask how are you, the person says udo. The person means fine. And fine means udo. That's a slang. Fine, udo. Next is mom or mother. When someone is talking about their mother, most of them don't say name or my mom. They say okomis. Okomis. When they want to tell you about their mother, that's a slang. Okomis. Okomis, no. Means my mother is in the house. Okomis ga nokuya means is your mother around. That's if you're talking to your friend. Okomis is mom. Then the next one is dad. Whenever they want to call dad, you hear things like Okoman. Okoman. So when you hear Okoman, know that they're talking about your dad or your father or their father. If this person says Okoman, it means my father. Okoman ge, it means your father. Whenever you hear Okoman, you're talking about your dad or your father. Next is my guys. My guys. My guys in Igbo, the slang is alobam. Aloba. Just say, Igafuna have alobam there. Means that they are your friends, your people. Alobam na bia, my guys are coming. The alobam na bia. Onyabu alobam, this is my guy. So alobam means my guy. Then the next one is a person that doesn't know anything. Someone that is just naive. Someone that is naive of an issue, of a discussion. They'll tell the person, they'll say that the person is onyembu. Onyembu. The person doesn't know anything about what is being discussed. Maybe if you're discussing, they'll say onyembu. Means that person is a fool. The person doesn't know anything. Next is I am fine. When someone wants to ask you Kedu, how are you? The slang for answering Kedu is Udo pasa. When someone says Udo pasa, it means that the person is very fine. Or the person tell you Udo. Kedije. Person will tell you Udo. Kedije is how are you? Or how are things? You say Udo pasa. Next is my friend. My friend, the slang for my friend is onye nkem. Onye nkem. Onye nkem na-abịa means my friend is coming. Onye abo onye nkem means this is my friend, this is my own person, my own personal person. My friend. So when you see someone say onye abo onye nkem or call someone onye nkem, it means the person is referring to the person as a friend. Then fine girl. In Igbo land, when you're walking and you're hearing asa gagudi. Asa means fine girl. So if they call you asa, it means the person is saying that you are fine, you're a fine girl. Asa the person na aba. Asa means fine girl. Asa, fine girl, asa. Next is a girl with a big booty or a big bum bum. You call her machine or venza. Machine or venza. You see when girls are passing and maybe one has a big bum bum, like, hey, nke a buka venza, nke a buka machine pelele. Then next is Vitsimon or her. When they want to tell you to beat him or her, maybe the person is a thief, or the person did something wrong. You hear things like piawaya azu. Piawaya azu. Piawaya azu means that you should beat him or her. Piawaya azu. Say na there can be a piawaga azu. Wait, I'm coming. Let me come and beat you. Piawaya azu. Another slang is be careful or take care. The slang for it in Igbo language is badanya. Badanya. Maybe when you're talking to someone on the phone, the person will tell you badanya. It means that you should take care. Or when you come to visit someone and the person is taking you back, the person will be like badanya. It also means shine your eyes, as in open your eyes. Badanya. Be careful. Take care. Shine your eyes. Then another one is owu. Owu na sam. Once you see owu, it means that the person is short of cash. The person is broke. The person doesn't have cash. Owu na sam men means that guys are broke. Owu di nobodo means that the community, the place is broke. There's no cash in circulation. Then the next one is you know what's up. When you're talking to someone, when the discussion is sweet and you're like, guy, you know what's up. What it means is that, what the slang is, oyempa in or there. Maybe you be discussing with people, discussing. Next thing you hear is, yeah, in or there, in my fan, in my fan, in or there. It means that you know what's up. Then the next one is fool. Once I want to call you fool or a mumu. Mumu means that you don't know anything. You're just like a complete fool. Person will call you onyenko. So or the person will say ina alanko, ina meko. You're making me to. There's a song actually, as in you're making me to, because you're turning me into a fool. Then the next one is you want to trick me. When someone wants to tell you, maybe you're discussing with someone and you tell the person you want to trick me. The slang for it is ichoririm, okwichoririm. Sure, you want to trick me. Do you want to trick me? Ichoririm, Ichoririm. Do you want to trick me, or do you want to take my money, or do you want to chop my money? Do you want to trick me? Means ichoririm. Then the next one is when someone wants to ask you what is the latest in town. You just saw someone, person will ask you what is the latest. The slang is kedun chabomo. Kedun chabomo. Wagodim kedun chabomo. When you hear kedun chabomo, the person is not asking you about uncha. No, uncha is soap. Omo is soap. The person is not asking about uncha omo. The person is asking of the latest, as in the latest in town. Kedun chabomo. Next is you have tricked me. You have been tricked. You have been tricked. The slang is we erigo kwagi o. Erigo kwagi. Maybe when someone scams you or tricks you, when you've been tricked and you're like, hey, I don't know what happened to me in the market, you're shouting. They'll ask you question. They'll be like, wait, erigo kwagi o. You have been tricked. Erigo kwagi o. Then the next one is Greywing. Greywing is winegbawa door, or one bocha here, bocha ba. I just me forget about bocha. When you hear bawa door or bocha, it means that you should just go away. Or if policemen are coming to catch some people in the streets, they'll be like, oh, means that you should all go away. Then another one is tell me something. When you're discussing with somebody, you're listening to this and you're like, hey, piamigwe. Just tell me something. For those of us that used to like gossip, piamigwe. Some will say, bamo paneze. Piamigwe. All of these are tell me something. Tell me the latest. Tell me something. Then the next is things are going well. When someone wants to tell you that things are going well, when you ask the person, K the way, Kedije, person will tell you, Udoba koi koi. Udoba koi koi. It means that things are going well. Udoba koi koi. Things are going well. Udoba koi koi. Udoba koi koi. Next is 500 naira, sorry. When you just hear somebody say yenjeba fiber or isi zik, person is talking about 500 naira. 500 naira is fiber or isi zik. You know you see zik said on the 500 naira. So when the person tells you choro mi isi zik or nye mi isi zik, give me isi zik, it means that you should give the person 500 naira. The next one is 1,000 naira. Whenever they don't want to say it, they want to use the slang for 1,000 naira. It's one pa, choro mo one pa, or nye mo one pa. It means that you should give the person 1,000 naira. Or where one pa, yenye give one pa. It means that what the person has given you is 1,000 naira. So 1,000 naira is one pa. Next is how far. When someone wants to ask how far or how are you, person will say kedi jegi or kedi jegi. Anyone. Kedi kime, kedi je. It means how far. Kedi jegi, how far or how are you. Kedi jegi. Kedi jegi. Next is what's up. What's up? When someone wants to say what the slang for what's up is kedi feneme. Kedi feneme no buda. What's up? What's going on in this place? Kedi feneme na Nigeria. What is going on in Nigeria? What's up is kedi feneme. Guy, what's up? Nah, what's up? Mpa, what's up? It means what is happening? What's up? Come over. When someone is telling you come over, person will call you on the phone and the person will like throw down or have to go down. If the person say throw down, person means I've throw down. The person is telling you be throw down. He's telling you to come over. Or the person came from the city to the village and he's calling his friends. I have to go calm down. It means that I'm over here. Throw down. Then the next is policeman. A policeman, the slang for a policeman is eke. people not start saying the police wherever. They'll say Ndeke. Once you hear Ndeke, you know that the policemen have come to that place. Ndeke na be a brocha. That's policemen are coming. Run away, go away. So Eke is policeman. Then the last but not the least, he or she is dead, is Ofigo. Ofigo means that he or she is dead. When someone asks you, Kemaka onya, Kemaka antia, you say Ofigo kwao, means that he or she is dead. Ofigo means that somebody is dead. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and do have a nice day.